G'day guys, welcome back to Paul J. Avery Outdoors. Hope you are doing well out there in a time like this. Everything seems to be cooling off a little bit now, which is absolutely fantastic. Can't wait to get out and do some traveling and that sort of stuff. First of all, making this video because we are doing 2 mods to the Nav in the next few days. One's already been done, as you can probably see in the background there, a little sneak peek. And the second mod is getting done at 8 AM tomorrow morning. So guys, first of all, first mod, we've put a Safari snorkel on the car. We done that about 2 weeks ago, but I just wanted to hold off and do a bit of a video on the second mod and this mod together because there's sort of not too much I can really go over with a snorkel. It's just, it is what it is. So we got it done at Mick Tyre down at Ironman in Toowoomba, Queensland. He's a great bloke, really friendly. If you need any 4x4 accessories or anything like that, go down there, see the blokes down there, because I've rang around and they seem to be by far the cheapest out of everyone, and quality is just there, right? Second mod, guys, tomorrow morning we are heading down to Muffler Mart. Yes, you've guessed it, we are putting a 3-inch exhaust from the turbo back under this big girl. So hopefully this is going to make it sound like a fantastic 4-wheel drive machine. So that's happening tomorrow morning at 8 AM. I can't wait to get it down there. I've been excited. I've actually been on a waiting list for 5 weeks to get that done. So I actually put it on I booked it 5 weeks ago, and then we got this done halfway through it. So I'm still waiting. So tomorrow morning is D-Day. So we go down there, get that done. So what I'll do, guys, is I'll get some footage of starting the Nav up without an exhaust, maybe going down the street, that sort of stuff. I'll see if I can get some sucking on the snorkel here, but you can't really notice it too much because she's just a 4-cylinder, so it's not like we're running a big V8 under here or anything like that. But I'll see what I can do. I'll get the GoPro out and put it up underneath and go for a lap. We'll just go from there. I'll get Tiara to come out and give me a hand. But yeah, just stay tuned, guys, and what we'll do is we'll run it down tomorrow morning. We'll get this exhaust slapped in. I'm working it late, so I won't finish this off until a couple of days later, but we'll definitely see the difference between no exhaust to having a brand new exhaust, well, the old exhaust to stock standard exhaust to the new 3-inch from the turbo back exhaust. There's heaps of stuff on Facebook and that sort of stuff. There's heaps of little clips on YouTube about it, so I'm really excited. We'll get into it, we'll get it done, and we'll see what we come up with, guys. Stay tuned. Start it up. Right, guys, so Tiara's just going to jump in. She's going to start her up. I'll get some footage of this snorkel, and that was the exhaust. So we'll go snorkel now. Righto, guys, there you go. It's not much. I don't think you can hear too much, but I can't hear a great deal on the outside here. I think I can hear the turbo whistling a little bit more, to be honest. I really do. I really think I can hear the turbo whistling a little bit more. but you have to be close to that exhaust. I'm not sure if the Rode mic picked it up. I'm hoping it did. So yeah, that's the exhaust and that's the snorkel done now. So all we've got to do, guys, is take it down to Muffler Mart in the morning, get that 3-inch exhaust put on, and then yeah, we should notice a bit more. But what I'll do is I'll go for a lap now and we'll get that as well, and I'll throw that in. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Righto guys, welcome back. Got the rig back 2 days ago. We've been out all day today. It's Friday. We've been out shopping. I've been backwards and forwards from work, so I think I can give you a really good opinion on this exhaust that I've got done. It's awesome. It is phenomenal. It is turning heads. People are looking over at me from like 100 meters away, 150 meters away. It's really good. Like me and Tiara went for a drive this afternoon, and I was just driving home and I was just paying attention on people on the side of the road when they were sort of looking over, and it was about 100 meters. It sounds really great. I'm going to plug the guy on Yui who done the job for me, because he's done some fantastic work. His name and business is JT's All Motor and Mechanical. He's on 4 Prescott Street, Toowoomba, and honestly, he done fantastic work. So if you're in the Toowoomba region, give him a bell. He seems to be a one-man band down there, so make sure you got a bit of time up your sleeve. You may be waiting 4 or 5 weeks, but he's awesome, mate. And he's not just he doesn't just do exhaust. He's a fully qualified mechanic, so he can do anything to your rig. When I was there, the phone was ringing off the hook, so he's obviously a busy man. But yeah, so great work, mate. Thank you very much. I think we'll get in, we'll start the rig up, we'll do a bit of driving around and whatnot, and then try and get some sounds coming from the snorkel, because you can hear that turbo spooling out a hell of a lot more now, which is awesome. Yeah, so we'll just get to it and we'll do the difference, eh? Alright guys, so not too much in the snorkel, but I think it's definitely breathing a hell of a lot better with the snorkel and the exhaust. I feel like it runs better, so we'll do a bit of the exhaust now. Righto guys, so that is the difference between a stock stand exhaust and a 3-inch exhaust with a Safari snorkel fitted. I think it's awesome. Wouldn't say I'm getting more power, but I'm definitely got a lot more response in the vehicle. I feel like I could say that. It sounds great around town. It sounds good out on the highway. It's not too drony in the cab, and which is what we kind of need, because I don't want to be getting headaches on long trips and all that sort of stuff when they open the borders up. So we've got a couple of trips planned when they do decide to do that, so stay tuned for all that. But as JC, when he fitted the exhaust, he's notified me that there is a crack in the exhaust manifold, so we're going to have to look at getting that changed out. And I've got a couple of other little things planned for the nav, so stay tuned. That's all I can really say until we open borders up and we can go out camping and do some more stuff like that, and we can get videos out there. But until then guys, hope you like my shit. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.